friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to rotate and crop video in CapCut. So if you want to rotate any video or crop any video in CapCut, what you have to do, first you have to just, I'm going to import a video here from my desktop, okay, like this, and import it. And here you will see like you have to add to the track. Okay, now if I want to rotate it or crop the video, what you have to do, first you will see like this is the video. Okay, this is the video. Now if I want to rotate it, okay, so what I have to do, just select the video and click on rotate. Now you will see this is the video is rotated, okay, like this. And now if I so like this you can rotate it. Okay, you can rotate this video, and also if you want to crop, just click on it and you can crop the video. Okay, just click on confirm. You can also rotate it like this. From here, crop ratio free 1:1, like this you can select it. Okay, you can select it, the crop ratio from here, and rotate it. So I'm just going to free like this and click on confirm. So now we'll see the original video. Okay, so like this you can rotate or crop video in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.